Last month, boys, in July, we made with this model just over $127,000. Total on the account, we've collected over $2 million. And just to refresh the account, just so you guys can see that it's exactly the same numbers. So $127,000 last month. The month before that was $152,000. The point is, we're absolutely printing money right now with this brand new business model, which is OFM, OnlyFans Management Agencies. And that's exactly what this video is going to be about. Hello, my name is Marcus Hustle. If this is the first time you're watching this video or finding out about me on YouTube, what we do is we manage a lot of OnlyFans models online. We make a lot of money and we teach you guys on exactly how to replicate the steps that we've taken in order to get here. It's taken me about 2 years, but we're here now. I've learned a lot of lessons from the mistakes that I've made, and we put together an online course that is like no other. We teach you exactly from step one, how to get started, how to get your first client, how to do the marketing, how to funnel the traffic, and then how to convert it and just print money thin air. Every time that I refresh this, there's money coming in. Do you understand? So, welcome to my new house, and I'm gonna teach you guys exactly and show you what exactly is included in our coaching program. What do we do? Because it's not just a bunch of videos. We offer you guys calls, we offer you guys support. There's so much to it. So guys, welcome to the house. Come in and hope you enjoy the video. Leave a like as well. Appreciate it. Thanks. Right, boys, so first things first. Hello, buddy. I don't know what to name her, we just got a cat. So first things first, of course there's an online course included, right? Which consists of over 40 lessons. There are 40 videos. It explains exactly how and what you need to do in order to get started. There are about 4 phases, plus there's a bonus section as well. So the 4 phases consist of, number 1, how to get started itself. So the physical of what do you need to do, what do you need to press, what do you need to set up in order to actually start the OnlyFans management agency, okay? Phase 1 is super simple. Trust me, it will literally take you a day or 2 to get started. If you're watching this video and you have a laptop and you have Wi-Fi, you're good to go, right? You're ready to get started. Phase 2 is how do you actually go about getting your first model, okay? Even if you're watching this and you already have a few clients, I'm not sure what she's doing, but if you have a few clients, it's still very useful for you because we teach you different methods on how to actually outreach, how to get models to message you, and how to build a brand, where essentially models are looking to work with yourself. Nobody else is teaching this because nobody else has actually done it in order to teach you, okay? So that's phase 2. Now, number 1, you've set everything up. Number 2, you have a few clients. On average, our students take about 2 weeks to get their first client. If you don't believe me, watch all of my student interviews on this YouTube video. I'm not making this shit up. Phase 3, so you got the agency set up, you got a few clients, well, now it's time to make money. So phase 3 is how do you actually do the marketing? We teach you everything from Reddit to all of the social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Everything is on there, even Facebook, it's still there, right? So all the marketing methods, even some dating apps, all of that is in phase 3. And then also, of course, we talk about how do you actually do the chatting, how do you do the conversion, how do you make money, right? So phase 3 is the most important one. How do you actually make money? Hold on, I'm not sure what I think she's camera shy, to be honest. So that's phase 3. Now, afterwards, phase 4, which is at this point, you've made some money, right? You've got a few models, you're working with them, you're making a little bit of cash here and there. How do you actually turn this into a business that's running by itself, okay? So this is where phase 4 comes in. So this is where you kind of build SOPs, or I'm not gonna bore you in this video, but basically how do you systemize the business? How do you outsource certain bits of work so you can kind of step back, focus on building the company rather than doing the inside work yourself. Super simple stuff. And definitely for me, phase 4 is the most important because financial freedom is cool and all, but if you don't have time and location freedom, aka you have to be there at your laptop every night, it's not good. So that's phase 4. And then I mentioned there is a bonus section as well. This is where we have the group coaching call recordings, and you can watch back all of the group coaching calls that we've had previously. So even if you join right now, you're not missing out because you have hours, and I genuinely mean hours, of group coaching calls to watch back on. And there's questions and they're being asked anywhere from how to get started to, hey Marcus, I'm making 50,000 a month right now. How do I reinvest the money? How do I grow the company even more? Right, which then leads me onto the second part of the video. So you got the online course, which has over 40 lessons in there. Now, the second part on how you actually get coaching from us is through Zoom calls. We do 2 group coaching calls every single week. Every Tuesday and Thursday, you jump on, you ask us any question you want. Also, the great thing about this is because it's a group, some other people might ask questions that you might not even think of yet or might not even encounter the problem yet. But because they ask this question, you hear me answer it or my business partner Harry answer these questions, all of a sudden you have the answer to a potential problem that might come up in the future. Absolutely incredible. 2 group coaching calls every single week. If you somehow miss it, they're always recorded, so you're able to rewatch them anyway. Right, the next one, I've had to write all this down because there are so many things included in the coaching, okay? So the next one is a members only Discord server. So this is a private Discord server which you can only join, of course, if you actually invest the money. Therefore, every single person that's in this coaching program or in this Discord server is a serious member who's looking to make money and actually building the business. We have over 600 members. Over 600 people all around the world building this same business model. It's not some bullshit where there's somebody from SMA and email marketing and OFM and da-da-da. No, there's a group of people just like yourself watching this who are thinking, wow, this seems like a really good idea. I want to get started. You have a community, right? It's so important. I'm sure you heard the term, oh, you're the sum average of 5 people you hang around with. Okay, but what action are you doing to actually fucking make that a reality? Who do you hang around with? Who do you speak with every single day? If you speak with our community every single day, if you make connections and make friends in that, do you not think you're going to be able to make money? So this is a private community with over 600 people that you get access to, and in there, me and Harry, we also have a few staff members as well to moderate the chat and answer questions. You can ask questions in there every single day, which leads me on to the next point. We have a support ticket system. So this is essentially where you click a button, it creates a support ticket, which is basically, for example, if you're watching this right now, if you've ever had issues with PayPal, for example, right? If you click a button, let's just say you have a problem, right? If you go onto their website and you create a support ticket and a little chat pops up where you can speak to like a person, it's the same thing, right? You ask the question, boom, somebody replies, you get the answer. If you're happy with the answer and it's answered your question, you just simply close the ticket and you move on. If you don't think you still got the answer yet, you keep talking to us until we fix the issue or the problem or answered your question, then you can close the ticket. Super fucking simple. And then if for some reason you aren't getting the replies there, you have the community to rely on. Like I said, there's over 600 people in there. There's loads of people who are just starting out, maybe like yourself. There's a few people who are, in the middle stages, about 10, 20, 30,000 a month. And then we have a couple of people making $60,000, $70,000 a month with their agency. So you have the spectrum of everybody in this industry to network with and speak with in there. Right, so the next thing is we have a review channel. So in the Discord, there's loads of different sections. I'm not going to go through every single one of them because I don't want to bore you guys, but there is a lot. We offer so many different things. One of the little sub channels is reviews. So again, before you post something, before you make a move in your agency, you can literally ask that question in that specific section in the Discord, and we can all give you an opinion whether you should do it or not. Think about this. Think about it right now. Imagine any business that you wanted to start right now, if you could have a group of 600 people who have probably already made that move, and they can give you advice and they can give you feedback on how that move went. If it was good, if it was bad, maybe they should do it this way, etc. Do you understand how much easier it will be to make decisions, to move faster in the business, to improve and scale? Absolutely insane. Not only that, in this section as well, we can actually give you guys some of our own results. So what you saw at the beginning of the video, you're able to leverage our results. Now listen, of course we explain in the coaching program that you're not able to just screenshot them and say, yeah, this is what I made, these are my results, because they're not. You're able to leverage our results in a certain way that we teach you specifically in the group, right? Because you're gonna be an affiliate agency of us, so you're able to actually do that. So which is gonna obviously help you get a lot more models, get a lot more clients, and start making a lot more money and get the ground running. Right, the next ones I'm just gonna fly through because like I said, boys, there are genuinely so many things that we offer. One, for example, is we offer a website. As soon as you sign up with us, you're gonna get an entire website for your agency. That's in our inner circle as long as you join that. We also give you entire done for you bot services. Again, if you're brand new, this won't probably make sense to you, but essentially this will help you market your models at scale massively. So instead of your model doing manual little fucking follow this person, post once here, post once there, we have bots. We have actual bots that bypass the algorithms on Instagram, Twitter, etc., and Reddit to actually post and interact with millions of accounts every single month. So your model is going to be absolutely going viral on all these platforms, and the best part is you and your model don't have to touch a single thing. These are automated systems that we set up. How else do you think we're making so much money? Do you really think me and the team are sitting there every single day just pressing buttons? No, we have systems and we have bots implemented in order to print this money at scale. Right guys, so that was that. Access to an industry leading bot expert. So that is the guy who's actually helping us set up the bot services. I don't personally know how to code, so I leave that to the experts, and he's an absolute G, he knows how to do that. and also access to roster of models to sign straight away. There's a lot of clients who want to work with me. Of course, we have insane results, probably one of the best results in the entire agency. A lot of the times we aren't able to actually work with every single model. So if you are watching this and you actually invest and you're a part of our coaching program, you're able to get clients like that because we're able to connect them with you, simply because we don't maybe have the time or the energy to manage every single client. Whereas you guys, when you're just starting out, you have the time and the focus to help every single girl, help her go from 0 to 10,000 a month. Guys, there is honestly a lot more things that I haven't mentioned in this entire video, what's included. Listen, if you're interested and you're still watching this video, clearly this is the time for you to take action, because this is sounding like something that interests you, and the longer you wait, the harder it will be for you to get started. Right now is still an incredible time. I've only really been public about this for just over a year. That's it. And I was the first one to be public about it. In total, there's maybe 5,000 agencies out there. There's maybe 10,000. That's all your competition. There's tens of millions of OnlyFans models. So the supply and demand is heavily in your favor. You need to get started right now. If you want to get started, there'll be links down below. There'll be a pinned comment as well. Check out the description. For now, from me and little Mr. Meow Meow, I don't know his name, they'll be in the end of the video. Thank you very much. Leave a like on the video as well. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.